How to remove green screen in CapCut. So to start, we'll have to open our CapCut application. And then in here, as you can see, I have already imported a video with a green screen and then a photo. In here, we'll have to tap on this plus sign so we can add the video here. After that, we'll have to select on the video and then go on the top right corner of the screen and then select on the video option. After that, select on this remove background. And then in here, we'll have to toggle on this custom removal. After that, we'll have to scroll down and then select on this Chroma Key. And then under that, you will see this color picker. We'll have to select on this one and then we'll have to tap on this green screen, tap again on this color picker, and then we'll have to go back here. And as you can see, it automatically removed the green screen. As you can see on the corner part of the screen, there are still green colors. So to remove that, we'll have to go on this intensity option and then we'll have to change the settings to over 40. After that, scroll down again and then we'll have to select on this clean up edge. In here, we'll have to make this one on 25. And as you can see here, it automatically clean up the edges. After that, we can now add a photo or a video. In here, we'll have to tap on this one. After that, select the photo or video. Move it downward and then select again on the video and then move it upward. And as you can see here, the photo or video is now added here. So that's how easy we can remove green screen in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.